Hey, welcome to the show. Today on the show, I have the complete lineup from Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro for the Galaxy S21 series. I have it for the S21, the S21 Plus, and the S21 Ultra. I'm going to tell you all about it. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to the show. Let's get started right away and show you the different colors and the styles that are for the S21 series. I'm going to start with the S21, then the S21 Plus, and finally the S21 Ultra. So right away we have a, this is a violet color. Here is the red. It's kind of like a metallic red. I like that. This is really sharp. And you have the black one. I've been using the black one on my phones for quite a few years. And the teal. This is for the S21 Plus and same colors. You have your violet. You got your red. Your black. And your violet. Here's the S21 Ultra series with the violet, the red, the tough black. I like that one. And the teal. So you can see the difference between the S21 Ultra, the S21 Plus, and the S21. Here it's a little bit bigger for the camera lens, and these are almost the same, but of course the S21 is a little bit smaller. All of these cases have three parts to them. This part right here just pops out like this. This part can clip on your belt or on the side of a backpack. This is very strong. This clip, I've never had it break on me. And you can also rotate it like that. So you can put it on your side of your pants like this position or like this. So when you snap your phone back in there, all you have to do is put it in here and then it snaps right like that. So it's a very nice cover to use, but I usually don't use that a lot. Maybe when I'm going hiking a little bit, but I'm usually always using this part of the phone, and this part of the phone comes in two pieces, so I can take that out and show you. So it pops out just like that. Then you go ahead and put your phone in with the screen facing that way and the camera facing in there. Put it in, snap it in. Very simple to use. All right, hello kitty. And I love that. I mean, it's a nice grip on all of these phones. It has a nice no-slip grip. I like the feel of it. Very well protected. You'll notice on these phones right here that this part comes up a little bit, and there's a little bit of a lip right there. So when you set this on the counter, it's not going to scratch the screen. Also, there is kind of like a bevel around this. I wish the cattail would get out of there. There's a bevel around for the lens, so if you put your phone on the counter like this and move it around, it's not going to touch the lens part, so it will not scratch it. I love these phones. They are so solid. Also, you'll notice that on all of these Unicorn Beetle Pro, they have a built-in kickstand. Pull that out like this, and then you can set your phone on the counter. Sorry about that. The cat is leaning against the camera. So you can lean your phone like this way or like this way. So that way you can watch my channel and all the cool videos that I have. I really love the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro. I've been using it for years on all of my phones. And I've usually gone with the black, but I think this year I might go with the metallic red. But whatever you choose, you know that your phone is going to be well protected with these phone cases. I have dropped my phone so many times on the cement, on rocks, in all different places, and this protects it every time. What I usually will do is I will put a white dome glass protector on my phone, and these work great with that. And so then it is double protected. So with the white stone glass protector, and this, you know, you're going to have no worries about your phone. Also, I'm sure that they're going to have some type of glass or camera lens protector for this phone too. So make sure you pay attention to my channel, because I will be discussing all kinds of cool tips and tricks and gadgets for your S21 Ultra. So once again, these cases are for the S21, the S21 Plus, the S21 Ultra. Check out Supcase. I will have a link down below where you can find all of these phone cases. It is one of my most favorite phone companies to deal with, that make the best protective case, and I think you're going to really enjoy it. Hey, thanks a lot. Please like and subscribe my videos and keep watching. I'll talk to you later. Have a fun day. Adios. Bye-bye.